Hello guys, today I want to give you a demo of my new product that is AES Auto Shutdown. I've created a desktop link here. I'll just click on it. As you can see, it's very simple software. You have just enter your time in minutes to shut down your computer. I'll enter 10 minutes and then click on shutdown.
Your computer will be shut down in 10 minutes.
As you can see, it clearly says that the computer will be shut down in 10 minutes. Then I will click on close and click on exit. Suppose you want to cancel the shutdown already prepared. What you will do for it? You have to just click it again. And then click on cancel shutdown. This cancel the shutdown already prepared.
You have cancelled the auto shutdown.
This is a good feature of my product. If you want this software, you can just visit my website. It's aayanspace.com. And I will write aayanspace.com. This is a portfolio website. Later you will install the software from here. You can just go to the content section that is present here and then click on the download button present here. And the other way is you have to go to my work section and then click on this redirect link, which will redirect to the payment page. And then you have to click on download button in this navigation bar, which will also redirect to the payment page. Click on this button. As you can see, I am come in the payment page. Now you have to just enter your email, your phone number, and pay a very nominal amount. Sometimes some device block this software. I can assure it's very completely safe. So you have to just disable it for the time being. And after you make your payment, you will receive the application at your email ID. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help you in your future work. Thank you.